Hi everyone, it's Nelda. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I have a new journal to share and this is different from what I always make. This time I decided to use my vintage doilies, my lace, and my fabric. It was so much fun completing this journal. I did a lot of stitching, both machine and hand stitch. As you can see, it is fat, but I really like it. I use all my beautiful lace and again the vintage doilies that I have been hoarding for a long time. Before I go on though, I'd like to say hello to Aisha of Young's Paper Creations and to my new subscribers. Thank you for joining us, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you do subscribe. And I hope you get inspired to be crafty and make your own projects. Okay, so let's take a look at this journal. Starting with the closure, this is a lace that I turned into a belt and it's very easy to open and close it. And it is not attached to the journal. I decorated it with this earring. This is a very old earring. And I stitched it by hand. And then these are amethyst bead buttons. And these are really pretty. And then I added these vintage buttons. And these are really beautiful trims. And then this is the back. Vintage doily, and that's the spine. The size of this journal is 9.5 by 7, including the lace. The cover has a lace pocket, and then on the pocket there is a postcard. This is a vintage postcard. And this is from 1906. And this is original postcard. This image is a public library in Winnipeg, Manitoba. And then look at this pretty bling. I love this. Let's take a look inside. First page. Look at these beautiful pearls. This is a vintage doily for pockets. And to journal, this is a small booklet. These are coffee stain paper. And music sheet for cover. I Mod Podge it to seal it. And I love this beautiful girl. Really lovely. And this is a journaling card, just a pocket here. And this is another booklet, just a twine to bind it. Another lovely girl. I got these images from Pinterest. And I just resized the images. And again, these are coffee stain paper. These booklets are 5.5 by 4.25 inches. Next page, here is a lace pocket, and then this is another vintage postcard from 1964. And this is original postcard. And then these are guest checks. And look at this butterfly. This is a vintage handkerchief. Really lovely. Here's another journaling card. So pretty. And then these are couple envelopes. Inside are some coupons and some stamps. Next page, gorgeous flower lace. And then another booklet. Again, coffee stain paper inside, and then this is a journaling card. These are grungy looking coffee stain paper. So pretty. And then I have some buttons here. Next page. Here's a handkerchief pocket, and then I decorated with lace. And then these are seam bindings and some beautiful trim. Another booklet. In this page, the pocket is a doily, and this is just a belt, more buttons, another booklet, and there's a pocket here, and another pocket in the back. And then here, this is another beautiful handkerchief, vintage, that I used for pocket. And look at this gorgeous design. And then another booklet. Next page, another handkerchief for pocket, and then this is a repair tag, bingo cards, and time card. And for the last page, here's a beautiful belly band. And the last booklet. And this is also a vintage doily. So there you go. This is the lace and fabric journal. I really love this, and I hope you like this too. Let me know what you think. This will be in my Etsy shop, and I will provide the link on the description below. So thank you again for watching my video and for supporting my channel, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. Let us grow together, learn together. And thank you Yana Valley and Lou Ellen Arts for subscribing to my channel, and I hope that I am pronouncing your YouTube channel correctly. I watched some of your videos and you are both amazingly talented. So friends, check them out and support their channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Let us welcome and receive today's blessings, and have a blessed week. God bless you. Take care. Bye now.